IN5497. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. My name is Cherry Laribatini. I am 38 years old, married, accomplished mother of one daughter, 21 years old, and my educational is high school graduate.
And your religion?
My religion is Christian.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Kuwait on 2013 to 2015, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience, I will cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and general cleaning and car wash.
How many car do you car wash?
4.
Okay, and you're also taking care of child, which is 12 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you have another experience also in the same country. Tell me about your experience as a helper.
Uh, I was take care of 2 children, 5 years old and 2 years old. As a nanny, I will giving her the healthy food, preparing her milk, changing diapers, giving them baths, and I ensure they had everything they needed.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a meal for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands. I will prepare the batter. Then I will sterilize, and then I will put right warm of water and milk. Then I will shake it until the bubbles gone. Then I will try in my weight. Then I will feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check first the diapers, and then I will check her heart temperature.
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and the temperature, what will you do?
I will call my employer, and then I tell them the baby's not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is offer a good high salary, and then I want to give good future my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract. If my employer she want to extend me, it's my pleasure to extend them.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract?
Yes.
If the employer wants you to work 5 years or 10 years, is okay?
Yes.
Okay. If what will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were relatives or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
First, I will call my employer, and then I tell them they have someone find them.
And if they don't know the person who telling that they were a relatives, what will you do?
I don't want to enter inside the house.
So you will not entertain them?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I will watching in YouTube, and then I will read in the book. And then if my mom or sir cooking in the kitchen, I want to help her.
So that you could learn how to
Yes.
prepare. Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes.
How about share room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly, have them go to bed, to the bathroom, and to the hospital for checkups.
Yes.
Okay, if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes. It's okay to me to learn her language.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my dearest future employer, I hope you considered me and given me the opportunity to work in your family. I promise I do my best with dedication, honesty, and hard work. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Cherry.